Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, I'm going to show you a full guide on how to create a Telegram bot, which even starts from getting your phone out and talking to the Telegram app. You have to use your device to create the API key. There's no web interface, or there might be, but we're not using it. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. This is going to be a full tutorial on how to create a Telegram bot. So let's get into the first part, which is talking to the BotFather. So the first thing you want to do is go into your phone and type in a new contact and then look for the BotFather. So the BotFather will come up and you talk to the BotFather, and once you talk to the BotFather, you type in /start. So that's where we're starting with the /start command.